dogs. We are back, and the other thing I need to get for this Blazer is I've got some seat belts here, but I don't have that piece that I need. So that's on my next to order list before I order shocks. Shocks can wait, but I better get some seat belts up in this here joint. So today's agenda, we're gonna go see if we can make this entertaining. I have in the seat next to me a drone. A drone I bought several years ago off of my brother-in-law, Matt with Mob Street, coming at you with some TW content. You can see how bouncy this Blazer is when I hit these little spots in the road. Shocks, they're coming soon. So seatbelt, shocks, and then maybe we're gonna discuss some tires here. But yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna head up real quick. We're gonna go to a little spot up here, and we're gonna see if I can't get this thing going. I downloaded the app. It's supposed to follow me, but the other day I couldn't get anything to work in the house, and I don't know if that's just because I was in the house. It's talking about it needs to communicate with like 12 satellites or some weird crap like that. So anyways, we're gonna jet up here real quick and see if we can't get it to work. Well, we failed. I don't know how to run it. I don't know how to run it off the phone app. I'm gonna look into that because I'd like to get some more footage of the Blazer, whether that be back and forth and just like driving around. Yeah, so we're gonna go plug that in. It hasn't been plugged in for a while, so it might just need to be charged. I don't know, something's weird, but I'm gonna learn about it and then we're gonna come back. But for now, we're going to maybe play around in this Blazer here for just a few minutes. So maybe we can get some good footage of me climbing some small little things. I don't know, I'll try to put the camera out here and see if some of these hills are even doable. I could probably make it up that. It's real steep. Oh geez. Oh geez, that's really steep. Oh yeah, we can do it. I'm gonna get out though, and we're gonna set the GoPro up here on an angle here. If the rock will stay. how beautiful that thing is. I'm gonna try to get another angle here off of this. See if we can climb it again. That's pretty fun. Oh man. She's a beauty. Alright folks, so it's pretty fun driving this thing around. I'm not gonna lie. But definitely need to do a few things. This carburetor likes to get stuck. Not stuck, but kind of acting like the choke was on there just a second. But it's got some pretty low gears. I think it's got 410s in it. I can't remember what the guy told me, but I'm pretty sure it has 410s. I don't know 100% for sure, but for sure I'm for sure thinking it's for sure got 410s. Mainly just going off of what I see here in Fort Low while I'm climbing stuff. Definitely got some flex issues. She don't like to flex that much. I think the springs are pretty stiff for what this is or what it needs. I don't think it needs this stiff of suspension, but we're just gonna drive it around for a little bit, see if it might soften up just a bit. It looks like it's brand new, so brand new suspension is my opinion. But we're gonna head over here to this other little hill. And I'm gonna do, hopefully, oh, that sun's gonna go down here in just a second. But hopefully I'm gonna just kind of get a little footage of me just crawling up this little hill. Yeah, just crawling up it. It's got the low gears. I figured I'd test it out and see if it'll just crawl right up it. Going down it, it's pretty low geared. And I got some footage the other day. It just wasn't the best though, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit better footage right now. But we still got a little bit of sun. We're just crawling up. That's it. It's just a little bit of footage. Just stay tuned. folks, that's it. I just wanted to get out and have a good time. Now that I've got this registered, I can't wait to just drive it more. So any excuse I can to get out here and drive, I'm all for it. So I was sitting home, I've done my invoices for the month, they're all sent out. We're just sitting around waiting for more snow. And if it doesn't snow, be waiting for a lot more content on this, because as soon as some of those checks start rolling in, we're buying some stuff. So like I said, seatbelt, well, yeah, seatbelts, shocks, and then we're gonna we may look into some tires depending on what we can find out. So shocks come first after the seatbelt. So those are my two must-haves. Also, I've got some axles coming. We're gonna be replacing the axles to see if we can't get rid of some of this major bounce that we're getting when we drive it down the road, because it rattles bad. I mean, you get going 40 and you can feel it. So you can feel it also to like 2 or 3 miles. It's like really bad, but when you're going faster, it's obviously, it's just not good. So we're gonna try to get that fixed. But anyways, stay tuned. Go down, grab something from Amazon, hit the link below, just go shop. Doesn't matter, you don't have to buy the link or whatever's on the link. Just go click on it, it'll take you to Amazon, I'll get a small commission. If you need some bucked up energy stuff, go get it. I carry it around. Yeah. Also, Auxito light bulbs. Go get you some. They're good stuff. And that's it. Other than that, smile. This is my second video today, so tomorrow morning, you're damn right, I'm gonna be smiling right when I wake up. But in the meantime, y'all have a good day. You should go out, crush it, have a good time. Live life, man. Life is short. You don't ever know when you're gonna go. Enjoy it while you're here.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.